Hey everyone, this is Hector again and welcome back to our channel. For today's exciting adventure, we're heading to the beautiful island of Bohol for our Bohol Escapade 2026. Our journey started from Pier 3, Cebu City as we traveled by sea going to Tubigon, Bohol. This vlog is packed with breathtaking drone shots captured using my new DJI Air 3S drone, while the cinematic B-roll footage was taken using my Samsung S25 Ultra 5G 500GB. During our trip, we explored the amazing mountain views of Bagacay in Loon Bohol, visited the world-famous Chocolate Hills, relaxed at the stunning beaches of Anda, and experienced the incredible beauty of Sikatuna, where the famous Mirror of the World can be found. This travel vlog is not only about adventure and relaxation, but also to inspire foreigners and future investors who are planning to invest properties in Cebu. Living or investing in Cebu is truly amazing because nearby paradise islands like Bohol are just a short trip away where you can relax, unwind, and enjoy nature with family and friends. And of course, this trip also became the perfect test adventure for my brand new DJI Air 3S drone. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this unforgettable Bohol adventure with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel and property investment adventures. As we continue our road trip through Tubigon and Calape, Bohol, you can witness the relaxing and breathtaking views of the beautiful rice terraces beside the road. The fresh air, peaceful province atmosphere, and endless green landscapes truly show the natural beauty of Bohol. Driving through these scenic roads feels so calming and refreshing, making every moment of the journey more unforgettable. We are now here in the beautiful mountains of Bagacay, Loon Bohol, and wow, the drone view is absolutely breathtaking. From the sky, you can clearly see the stunning rice terraces, the endless coconut trees, and the peaceful natural scenery surrounding the mountains. The fresh green landscapes and relaxing province vibe make this place truly paradise-like and very unforgettable. This is one of the reasons why Bohol is such an amazing destination to explore and enjoy. Just look at this incredible drone shot. The view from the sky is absolutely insane. Massive green rice terraces, thousands of coconut trees, fresh mountain air, and stunning natural landscapes everywhere you look. Bagacay is truly one of the hidden gems of Bohol that gives you peaceful province vibes while showcasing the raw beauty of nature. This place is so relaxing, so refreshing, and super beautiful from above. This is the kind of paradise that makes you fall in love with Bohol even more. And as you can see, my first cousin, Not Miranda, is here with me helping operate the drone during our Bohol adventure. While testing the DJI Air 3S, we captured some absolutely breathtaking aerial views of the beautiful mountains, rice terraces, and coconut trees of Bagacay, Loon Bohol. And of course, our adventure would not be complete without trying the fresh coconut juice, locally called butong. It's mixed with milk, super delicious, very refreshing, and perfect while enjoying the cool mountain atmosphere of Bohol. So keep watching, guys, because our Bohol adventure is not over yet. We still have more beautiful places to explore, more drone shots to capture, and more unforgettable experiences ahead. Later during our road trip, I'll continue sharing and discussing more amazing views, destinations, and adventures with all of you. Stay tuned and enjoy the ride. And of course, shout out to my first cousin, Not Miranda, who is driving the car during our amazing Bohol road trip adventure. While he handles the driving, we continue enjoying the breathtaking views of Bohol and capturing cinematic drone shots along the way. Also joining us on this unforgettable Bohol adventure are my wife Virginia, my brother Neil, who is a PWD, and my sister Lucille, who lovingly takes care of my brother during our trip. It's truly a wonderful experience seeing them enjoy this local tour together, especially since most of our previous travels were around the world. This time, we're appreciating the natural beauty of our own country here in beautiful Bohol, Philippines. Travel is not only about visiting places, it's about spending meaningful time with family, creating happy memories, and enjoying life together. And now guys, while we're driving our car along the beautiful seaside roads of Bohol, the DJI Air 3S drone is following us for an epic cinematic shot. Just look at this incredible view, the ocean beside us, the relaxing coastal road, the fresh province atmosphere, and the smooth cinematic drone movements make this scene feel like a real travel movie. The DJI Air 3S is absolutely amazing when it comes to tracking shots and cinematic aerial footage. The quality is super clear, ultra smooth, and truly breathtaking from above. This is one of the best parts of our Bohol road trip adventure, cruising beside the sea while capturing world-class drone shots that make every moment unforgettable. And finally guys, we have now arrived at the beautiful paradise of Anda Beach, Bohol. Wow, this place is absolutely stunning. The crystal clear blue water, long white sand beach, peaceful atmosphere, and relaxing ocean breeze make Anda one of the most beautiful destinations here in Bohol. And with the DJI Air 3S drone flying above the coastline, the cinematic shots look incredibly amazing. The aerial view of the beach is simply breathtaking. You can see the clear turquoise waters, the relaxing shoreline, coconut trees swaying beside the beach, and the peaceful tropical paradise vibe that makes Anda truly special. This is definitely the kind of destination that many foreigners would absolutely love to visit, enjoy, and even invest nearby because of its natural beauty and peaceful environment. Imagine waking up every day beside this kind of paradise. Anda Beach is perfect for relaxation, family bonding, road trips, beach lovers, nature lovers, and even content creators looking for cinematic travel experiences. The place feels so peaceful, clean, and refreshing, far away from the stress of busy city life. What makes Anda truly unique is its untouched natural beauty. Unlike crowded tourist spots, Anda gives you a calm and relaxing island experience while still offering breathtaking views everywhere you look. Whether you're walking along the shoreline, swimming in the clear waters, enjoying the sunset, or flying a drone above the beach, every moment here feels magical. This is truly one of the hidden paradise destinations in the Philippines that deserves worldwide recognition. And honestly guys, seeing these cinematic DJI Air 3S drone shots of Anda Beach makes this Bohol adventure even more unforgettable. And now guys, we're heading on the road going to the world famous chocolate hills of Bohol. As you can see, the DJI Air 3S drone is flying high above the mountains while following our car for an epic cinematic tracking shot. Just look at this super beautiful view. Endless green mountains, winding roads, fresh province air, and breathtaking natural scenery everywhere. The smooth aerial shots make this road trip feel like a professional travel documentary. The DJI Air 3S is doing an amazing job capturing the beauty of Bohol from above, especially while driving through these scenic mountain roads. Every angle looks absolutely stunning and cinematic. This is truly one of the most unforgettable road trip experiences here in Bohol, Philippines. And now guys, we have arrived at the border area of the world famous Chocolate Hills. This time, we didn't walk all the way up to the viewing deck because we decided to experience the beauty of Chocolate Hills from the sky using our DJI Air 3S drone. And wow! The aerial view is absolutely breathtaking. From above, you can clearly see the incredible formation of the hills stretching across the landscape like giant natural sculptures. The cinematic drone shots truly capture the majestic beauty of Chocolate Hills in a unique and unforgettable way. Seeing these world-famous hills from the air gives a whole different level of experience, peaceful, relaxing, and simply amazing. And now guys, welcome to one of the most iconic tourist destinations in the Philippines, the world-famous Chocolate Hills of Bohol. Seeing the Chocolate Hills in person is already amazing, but viewing them from the sky using the DJI Air 3S drone is on a completely different level. From above, you can truly appreciate the hundreds of perfectly shaped hills spread across the beautiful landscape of Bohol. It feels like nature created a masterpiece. For foreigners visiting Bohol, Chocolate Hills is definitely a must-visit destination because it offers not only breathtaking scenery but also a chance to experience the relaxing province lifestyle and rich culture of the Boholanos. Around the Chocolate Hills area, visitors can enjoy local Filipino restaurants serving delicious Boholano delicacies, fresh seafood, native foods, and refreshing tropical drinks. Many travelers love trying local dishes while enjoying the cool mountain atmosphere and scenic views of the hills. And finally guys, we are now here in Sikatuna, Bohol, home of the famous Mirror of the World. This place is absolutely incredible because it allows you to experience famous landmarks and destinations from around the world all in one location. And with our DJI Air 3S drone flying high above, the cinematic aerial shots reveal the stunning beauty of the entire Mirror of the World attraction in a truly amazing way. From above, you can see the beautiful landscapes, creative structures, mountain surroundings, and the relaxing atmosphere of Sikatuna, Bohol. For those who have not yet traveled outside the country, visiting the Mirror of the World gives you the feeling like you are already exploring different parts of the world. It's a wonderful experience where you can enjoy taking photos, making memories, and feeling the excitement of international travel while staying here in beautiful Bohol, Philippines. This destination is perfect for families, tourists, vloggers, drone enthusiasts, and foreigners who want to enjoy a unique and relaxing travel experience surrounded by nature and culture. The drone reveal shots here are absolutely breathtaking and cinematic, truly one of the highlights of our Bohol Escapade 2026 adventure.